Fiber to the home. Wow, where should we start?
Confused about telecom technologies and acronyms?
ADSL, VDSL, XDSL, copper, cable, fiber, broadband, high-speed, bandwidth, FTTC, FTTB, FTTH, next generation access?
Stop!
Actually, it's all very simple, really. All you care about is getting fast internet to send and receive songs, pictures, or videos in an instant.
Making cheap phone and video calls with family and friends wherever they are.
Working from home as easily as in the office.
Watching HD TV programs or catch-up TV.
Watching videos on demand.
Playing online games with friends.
Getting an instant online backup of data and sharing it with family and friends, and so on.
It's a fact that out of all the technologies and solutions, fiber to the home, FTTH, is the fastest and most reliable way to access the internet.
What about other solutions then?
Mobile connections are much slower than FTTH, especially when several users are in the same area and sharing the available network. Satellite connections are also much slower than FTTH. They entail a delay, which hampers phone conversations and other interactive activities.
Other fixed technologies like ADSL use metal wires, which are about 100 times slower than fiber to connect your home to the Fiber City network.
In the meantime, it can take an hour to download an HD video, and that's if you're lucky and no other family member is using the internet at the same time. Ever heard your kids complain about this?
With fiber to the home, you get ultra-fast optical fiber right into your home, office, or building.
How come?
Well, because optical fibers are flexible, hair-thin strands of glass which transmit light. Ever heard of the speed of light? That's exactly what we mean.
Just imagine, with fiber to the home, you would get the film in minutes, even if your kids are on a video call with their grandmother.
And this is not going to end soon, because FTTH is completely future-proof, and the capacity is virtually unlimited.
Several million European homes are already enjoying fiber to the home.